Hello and welcome back everyone. Hopefully you like my new apron. Today we're making tandoori chicken alfredo. And this is a fusion dish and it's inspired by this tweet right here. If you want me to make you something, well, let me know and I'll make it. So just go over to my Twitter and let's get that. So tandoori chicken alfredo we're using skinless chicken thighs without clover. Take that. And just kind of, so I want some zest. Or 1 teaspoon of salt called MSG, some pepper, tandoori spice, a little bit of that red chili powder, alright, smoked paprika, red chili flake, tablespoon. Mix all that together. Olive oil, just to help small pieces like that. And mix in all that. Canola oil, and a butter, a little garlic, white onion, pepper, some half and half in here. Put flour in the sauce. Cook this flour with some butter. Sauce here. Our thick Parmesan cheese, mozzarella. Equal parts of basil and parsley. 4 minutes in the water, and then it'll finish off in our beautiful sauce. Look at, ooh, dente, and we're just, chicken here. Look at this beautiful chicken in half. We're just gonna top, and there you go, you got your chicken alfredo. Woo.